I noticed the car gets really dirty in this area and at the back. Of course, possible solution for this is to introduce the mud flaps here. So I actually did order them from Tesla. So these are the stock from Tesla and they just arrived. I will install them. They come in the box here, 2 pieces. Simple design. There's nothing too crazy about them. That's what I was after. I didn't want any special fancy design. I just wanted something simple. So I got those, and they come flaps and this. Not even a peep of instruction. What do I do with it? So I hope I can figure it out. I will try. Here is installing those flaps. I think you need to pull first these pins. These are the original pins that are here. So I took them off, and the flap needs to, it has this little hook here, so it needs to be hooked to the side right here, and then fit in with this little tabs. I'm gonna use the new ones here since the new ones are coming with it. So let's just snap a new one here, and let's snap the new one right here. Okay, so here's one flap, mud flap here installed on the driver's side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the passenger side. Then this weekend I'm gonna probably go and drive places, so I'm gonna see how if it makes really a difference, if there's any improvements on the side here. Hopefully there's gonna be some protection from the dirt and mud on the side of the door, as well as at the back. We'll see. We'll keep you posted. So some time ago, maybe a week or maybe a little bit over a week, I installed those mud protectors here in front of my Model Y. And I've been driving this car without washing it for a couple weeks. I definitely can see the improvement. There's little things here, but not much at the back at all. So I think there is little improvement after having those mud flaps in place. So I would say it's worth it to spend $40 to get them and have them installed and install them themselves, yourselves, because it's easy and I think it helps. The splash of the car driving about 200 miles, my kind of a weekend drive to a surfing place, to a kite surfing place. A little bit of a splash here. I'm getting the splash guard next week, so I'm wondering if it's gonna be the same. So I want to compare this. So here's like if you, I'm not sure if you can see this. This is like the back of back door by the wheel here, a little bit here on the door, and then here's the front side of the car. This is the driver's side doors. As you see, a little bit of a splashes here, dirt. We'll see how it works after I install splash guards here in front.